So friends, let's start with today's Goan Surmai curry. So let's go through the ingredients first. So here I have 5 to 6 pieces of surmai which I've washed really well. Here I have 15 dried red chilies, 1 medium onion sliced, 1 inch of ginger, 6 cloves of garlic, 6 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of peppercorns. Now I'm using a raw mango as a souring agent, but you can also use, kokum or amsul, 1 cup of thick coconut milk. And here I'm going to use coconut oil, and I am heating about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in my lovely Goan earthen pot. Then I'm going to add the ginger, the garlic, the green chilies. Fry everything really well. Now if you don't have amsol or sola or kokum at home, you can also use tamarind. Just soak the tamarind in some water for about 10 minutes and take off all the pulp. Add the slices of the onion and saute well. You can also use trifara, as a souring agent, something to give this a little bit of a sourness. Now I happen to have some raw mango lying in my refrigerator, so I'm using that. Fry the onion till it's nice and translucent. Add all of the red chilies. These are Kashmiri red chilies. Fry these chilies really well. This will give the curry a lovely flavor as well as a lovely color. Now add the coriander seeds, the cumin seeds, the peppercorns, and just fry everything really well. We are going to grind this into a very fine paste. So the more you fry it, the better will the flavor come off, and it will really make this curry amazing. Now once it comes to room temperature, add a little bit of water and grind this to a very fine paste or a fine masala paste like this. Again, I'm going to heat 1 teaspoon of oil in the same pot in which I fried all the masala. Now I'm just going to add the ground paste. Now you can make any fish curry with this recipe. You can use pomfret, you can use prawns, you can use bangda, you can use any of the fish that you desire. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. Give everything a real good mix. Now when you cook in these Goan earthen pots, the flavor of the curry also is amazing. Now this is the masala water that I'm using. And also if you can grind your masala on a stone or a vato, that is even much better. Whenever I have the time and the energy and the patience, I try and grind on my masala stone. It does require a little bit of muscle power and a lot of patience, but it really makes the curries really different and really tasty. And even if you have a chance of cooking on real firewood, oh my god, that is like the icing on the cake. Now I'm just going to add some salt to taste. That's why in the olden days, I remember my nana in Goa, she used to cook this fish curry on a very low firewood for a long time, so all the flavors would come out. Now I'm adding the coconut milk, and I'm again adding some more water. Now I like to use coconut milk, which I make at home. I'm adding the raw mango. You can also add tamarind or kokum. Now I like to add coconut milk, but you can also add fresh coconut when you're making the masala and grind that. Then you don't need to add coconut milk, but I like the flavor of coconut milk. And now I'm going to add the fish pieces, and we're just going to cook this for another 5 to 7 minutes till they turn translucent. Don't overcook the fish. And our fish curry is all ready. Have this with some lovely rice, some pickles, some papad, on some fried fish or some dry fish or some kismur. The choices are endless. Today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.